I should have started it earlier. Yes. You're understanding, right? So these all things you should understand apart from gaining the skills. So this our 3-month certificate program will focus on all these aspects: your skilling, enriching your enriching you with real life projects, which will add as an experience. Which will also you can show this as also you did an internship in this area. Okay, and also of course there'll be certificate at the end, and more than that, your enhanced digital profiles, your resumes, your portfolios, your LinkedIn profile, all these enhancement will be you will be able to do this with the guidance from the right people, right experts. Okay, so this is the brief about the certificate program, and right now we are in the bridge course of that. This is just the mini version of the entire certificate program. Clear? So let us go ahead and do the first lab of today. Okay. Before that, just give me a quick raise of hands to if you are joining from laptops. Quick raise of hands. Sana Prabhu, Karthik, Sachin DK. Yes. Ayesha Khan, Malik Rehan. If you have chance to shift to laptop, please do. And Leo, if you have chance to shift to laptop, please do. Please do. And also kindly mention your name and your college names. Okay, in the chat box. Okay, please do that. Okay, you can lower your hands down now. Yeah. Yes. Okay, now first step, we will register to the Mind Matrix platform on which all the content will be available. Yeah, all the lab links access will be given through the Mind Matrix platform. Yeah, first let us register to that. Okay, Karthik are already registered, and I think Sahana also had registered. Let's quickly, I'll just post the URL in the chat box. Quickly, we will register and we will go ahead with the lab for today. So today, the lab which we will be doing is about building a chatbot and deploying it using Google Cloud. Okay. So it is a 1-hour lab which we will be doing in starting in next 5-10 minutes after the registration process. Okay. Yes. So let me share my screen. Let me first give you the URL of the website. Yeah. makes.mindmatrix.io. HTTPS makes.mindmatrix.io. I've posted the link in the chat box. Yeah. Simple steps. Even I will try to do it with you, but already I'm registered. Yeah. Let me share the screen quickly. Until some steps I'll show you and I'll guide you exactly what all things you will be expecting. Okay. Let me do that quickly. If any point of time, if you are not able to follow or if you want extra assistance, please let me know. Okay. Since we are connected through the online mode. Okay. And we are at remote places, right? Keep the communication on. Okay. If you are following everything with what I'm telling, just give me a thumbs up whenever I ask you to do. Or if you can raise your hands if you have any issues, or you can use the chat box to mention those issues also. Since yeah, and even I will give you an option of unmuting yourself and speaking also. Okay. Yes, do that as well. Okay. Yes. So let me share my screen. I hope the screen is visible, right? Yeah. So in this platform, those who have already registered, you can go ahead and click on login. Okay. Just a minute. I'll come back to the sign up. Just wait. New users. Okay. Already who are users, click on login and just click on sign in with Google and proceed further. You will be able to see the dashboard. You will be able to see the dashboard. Yes. It says your name, the courses you are enrolled into, the upcoming programs. Correct? These are the things you will be seeing, right? If you directly log in. Okay. Now coming back, I'll log out. For the students who are registering, right? Who are registering for the first time, from the home page. Yeah, this is the home page of the website. Your career companion from day one to your dream job. Yeah. You can go through the website at your convenience later. Yeah. Now click on sign up. You're able to see the screen. You're able to follow, right? Click on sign up. And we have registration options both for college and student. Select student part. Yeah. Then click on sign up with Google. Click on sign up with Google. Is that clear? Sign up with Google. Just few steps for your authentication. Select the right email address. Okay. Continue. Yeah. Since I'm already a user, I'll not be able to proceed further. What happens in your case? You will see a page, basically. You will see a page which asks for your more details, like your phone number, your university, that is VTU, your college will be available in the drop down. Okay. Just type in the first letter of your college. Okay. That is if it is the government engineering college, just type G. Then the list of all the colleges under that will be shown. Okay, just few clicks and you'll be able to see your college. Select that particular respective college. Okay, enter your USN. Select branch. Okay, but for semester, I know you already passed out, but semester you select as 8th semester. Okay, select as 8th semester and click on go to my dashboard. If in this entire process, if you are stuck somewhere, okay, if you're not able to proceed further for whatsoever reasons, let me know. Okay, mention in the chat box or unmute and speak, and I'll be able to help you. Yes. Yes, Kishore. Yeah. Just use this URL and log in to the platform. Sign up in the platform. Yeah. Okay. I've sent the link again to you in the chat box. Okay.
Sir.
Open that link and click on sign up. Since you're coming for the first time, click on sign up and
Sir.
then select that you are a student. Okay.
Sir.
And then sign up with Google. Use Google sign up. Okay. Sign up with Google and enter your, just follow a few steps. Just go ahead with the steps and fill in your all the details.
Sir.
Okay. But make sure to enter your semester as 8th semester. Yeah. Yes. And then click on go to my dashboard. If
Okay,
in
sir.
all this process, if you are stuck somewhere, then let me know.
Okay, sir.
Or otherwise, I'll proceed further. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So meanwhile, I'll open. I'll come to the dashboard and I will come to the next step. Just give me a second. So let me know once you are until that step. We can proceed further. Okay. If any problem, if you are facing in between, kindly let me know. Let me open the right profile for that. Just a minute. I'll share the screen for you. Yeah. Yeah. Let's click on login. I'm already registered user. I'm using one of our internal test IDs. Okay. It will show your name. Yeah. In my case, you're able to see the screen, right? Yeah. Saying hello, Pragati from Government Engineering College, Bidar. Right? Yes. In your page, just let me open picture in picture mode. Just a second. If anywhere if you are stuck, then let me know. I will guide you. Okay. Yeah. Mix or mind matrix. Click on login. Okay. Sign up. So sign in with Google if you're already logged in. Then you'll come to this page which says, yeah, your name, and it displays the notice board on the right hand side. Whichever new courses or new programs which we are launching, that will be shown on the right hand side. And here on the left hand side, since you're coming to the platform for the first time, right, you will be seeing something as recommended programs. Give me a quick thumbs up if you're able to see this. Recommended programs, and under recommended programs, you will be seeing GenAI Builder, Xpress, PrepTrack. GenAI Builder, Xpress, PrepTrack. Yeah, under recommended programs. Okay, just click on that. Before that, okay. If you have clicked, no worries, just listen to me. If not, then just hear me out. Below, we have upcoming programs. Okay, Android app development with Kotlin, IoT for smart infrastructure, GenAI Builder Express. This is the certificate program I'm talking about, which will be starting from 2nd of July. Okay, please explore this course. Okay, if you are interested, you can make so go ahead and make the payment. Okay, and you can enroll for this course. Okay, this will be starting from 2nd of July, and see that on the notice board as well. Okay, yes. For now, explore GenAI Builder Express PrepTrack, preparation track. That is the bridge course. Okay, click on explore this course for the PrepTrack, and then you will see a page which displays the much more details about the program. A brief description, what you get about the instructor, okay, and what all different modules are there in that program. All these things you will be seeing in that particular page. You don't have to scroll down a lot. Just at the top itself, you have an enroll now button. Are you able to see that? Just give me a quick thumbs up if you're able to see that. Enroll now. Click on enroll now, and it will ask for confirmation. Yeah, do you want to proceed or no? Just click yes over there and proceed further. Okay. Once you do that, once you enroll and give your confirmation, you will be able to see this page. You will be able to see this page. Course schedule page. Give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to see that page. Great. Okay. Okay. Able to see that, right? Wonderful. Wonderful. So today, we will be, so yes, you can see here, yeah, there are 5 modules in this: Kickstart and Connect, Inspire and Explore, Create and Build, Profile and Power Up, Reflect and Rise. Okay, the first part, that is Kickstart and Connect. Okay, yesterday we have already completed that. No worries, we will find a better time and I will take you through these as well. Okay, but more interesting thing is coming today. Don't worry, even if you have missed, there is nothing like you will not be able to do anything over today. They are independent of each. Okay, but whatever basic things you had to know earlier, I will brief you about those things. No need to worry. Okay, yes. So today is, the theme is Inspire and Explore. Inspire and Explore. Okay, today will be, as I was saying, today we'll be going ahead and exploring Vertex AI Studio. Vertex AI Studio on Google Cloud platform. Okay, and then together we will visit our LinkedIn profiles and post the badge which we got from Google. Okay, and then lastly, at 12 this at 12 noon, Manoj sir will join us. Okay, he's an expert from Bosch. Okay, with 35 plus years of experience in training and also in quality assurance as a quality assurance manager as well. Okay, he will interact with you about life skills. Today's theme of life skills is curiosity. Okay, yes, so these are the 3 things which we will be doing today. So everybody on this same page, click on Inspire and Explore, and these 3 things you are able to see. Give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to see. Rakshita, Karthik, Sahana, Kishore, right? One more person. Yeah. Yes. So now, in front of Get Started with Vertex AI Studio, there is See Tasks. Click on that. See Tasks. So these are the 2 things we will be doing. Yeah. Each day, the process would be same. Like there will be one lab, one quiz followed to that, and you'll be posting on LinkedIn, and a session on life skills. Okay, added to that, some special days. We will invite the guests from the Volvo, and from one more person we have Amitabh Satyam. Okay, he runs his own organization, yeah, Smart Transformations, and he also authored a book called book on smart cities. Okay, he was managing director at SAP Labs before, SAP India before. Okay, he will be also interacting with you, bringing his expertise to the table. Those sessions also will be there, but this would be the regular routine exercises. Okay, are you ready to start the lab? Just get started with Vertex AI Studio. Are you ready for that? Yes. Yeah. Click on Start Task. Click on Start Task. See, not only the course makes you experts in generative AI, but our platform itself is powered by AI. Okay, get introduced yourself to your personal AI assistant, that is Praxi. Okay, this assistant will also be your companion, a learning companion throughout your journey on the platform. Okay, it will make sure that each and every component comes in front of you in a particular order as it has to come, and it will make sure without submitting for that, without completing that, you will not be able to proceed further. Okay, that it will ensure. Now Praxi is giving you the first task for today. Get started with Vertex AI Studio. Okay, the objective has been given out by Praxi, and the link is also given by her. Okay, which is written in as the form of reading material. Okay, yes. Click on reading material. Click on reading material. Yeah. Are you able to see this document on the right hand side? Don't click on anything yet. Just click on reading material and just look at the document. Okay. Give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to see this document. If you are facing any problem, let me know. Karthik, you are able to see, right? Karthik? Good. Great. Rakshita, what about you? Great. Don't hesitate to mention your issues, okay? Because we don't want any of you to lose any of the steps. Yeah. Make sure you are seeing the right thing and don't hesitate to raise your issues. Yes. Okay. So for the sake of first timers, what I'll do from here, next few steps, I'll show you what all you have to do. Okay. And then I will come back and make you also do the same things. Is that clear? Because from now on, we will be visiting the Google platform where the lab environment is set up. Okay. And we will be navigating between two screens, basically, two windows of Chrome profile. In one, the lab instructions will be there, and in one window, incognito window, we will be actually executing the lab. Okay, these things we will be doing. We'll be shifting between the screens. Okay, so I will tell you how to do, what to do. Next few steps I will show you first, see it carefully, and then I will make you execute. Is that clear? Yes. Quickly, if you want to grab water, grab and come. Now, next we will be starting with the lab. Just give me a minute. I'll just shift to a better place. Yeah. Meanwhile, just grab water and be back. Okay. I'll take just 2 minutes. Yes. Yes. So, students, shall we proceed further? Give me a quick thumbs up if you are ready, and we'll proceed further. Ready? What about Sahana and Rakshita? Great. Okay. 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 As I was telling you, next few steps. Watch carefully. Okay. And then I will come back and I will make you execute the same steps. Okay. So wherever there is a bit complexity, I will show you the steps first and then make you do that. Okay. Don't rush at any step. Yeah. Let's understand step by step and we'll go slowly and do this lab. Okay. Yes. Right click. See, I hope you are able to see the document, right? Yes. In the document, there is a link given. In this document, there is a link under the title Lab Access, which says click here to access the lab. Right? On this, don't do anything now. I'll tell you what to do. Okay. First, I'm doing it myself, and I'm just telling you the steps what needs to be done. Okay. We have to open this link in a new tab. We have to open this in a new tab. You can see on my screen that new tab is being opened, right? New tab is open. Let's leave this tab and go to the new tab. Don't close this particular tab. Just shift to the new tab. Yeah. Yes. I hope the screen is visible, right? Yeah. The lab says get started with Vertex AI Studio. Get started with Vertex AI Studio. Lab duration 1 hour. Okay. Cost, no cost. And you can see in the yellow part over the top or the right hand side, out of 100. So here, as you all go on completing the steps, the tasks given in the lab, you will earn points. Okay. So there are objectives, setup and requirements. Okay. What all needs to be done before starting the task, before starting the lab. Okay. Task 1, create application from prompts. Right. And then second task is design effective prompts. Okay. Basically, in this first task itself, we will be deploying a chatbot. And the second task is designing effective prompts. We'll understand what is zero shot prompt, what is multi-shot prompts, or few shot prompt. Those things we will be understanding. Not just understanding, I'll show you. We'll be actually doing this in Vertex AI. Is that clear? Okay. So this is about the lab. So now, one thing we have to ensure for the first timers, okay, it will ask for sign in. Make sure you're already signed in. Okay. See, here also you can see sign in or join. Here you have two options, sign in or join. Right? For the first timers, both sign in and join options will be there. Okay. But if you have already done one lab with us, that is yesterday, or in the previous batches or before, then it will ask you to sign in. It just make sure that you're signed in. See, if you are signed into this platform, then in the top right corner, you should be seeing, as you see in Gmail accounts, Gmail and all that, the first letter of your email address will be displayed. Say I'm Thirumal, T would be displayed, which means I'm signed in. Every time you come to a lab, make sure you're signed in. Then only your progress will be recorded. Is that clear? Yeah. Now, let me sign in. Yeah. Sign in with Google. Okay. You don't have to remember your password and all that. Yeah. I'm already signed in. Okay. If you're coming for the first time, then it might ask you for your date of birth. Yeah. Month of the birth, year, and date. Okay. Just enter those things and you will be signed in. Just give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to sign in. Yes, quick thumbs up, please. Sahana and Rakshita. Yes. If not, let me know what issues you're facing. I'll be able to help you. Yes, Sahana, you can mention in the chat box as well. And Rakshita, are you able to sign in? See, signing just means that, see, the first letter of your email address is visible over here, right? Yeah, I've logged in from email address tirumaldesai6@gmail.com. Hence, you can see the first letter of that T displayed over there, right? Yes. And the timer got opened over here. You can just click on Start Lab and you can start the lab. Understood? Okay. Now, now you do the exact same steps which I showed you. Okay. So from here, what we did, we clicked on, I'm just reiterating the steps once again. Open link in new tab. Yeah. And this opened the link in new tab. We went over here and we signed in. That's all we have done until now. Is that clear? Okay, I hope you've all given me thumbs up. So I'll assume that you're all signed in. Okay. Now, next step. Again, from here, just see for a few minutes. Okay. Just one step, see for a few minutes. Okay. I'm clicking on starting. Don't do anything right now. Start lab. You have to confirm that you're not a robot. And you can see the timer has already started. Right? So let me tell you what this means. What this does is, for the next 1 hour of this, which is the duration of this lab, it will create a temporary environment for you on the Google Cloud platform. Right? Which otherwise, if you don't go through this lab and directly if you visit the Google Cloud platform, then you have to create a billing account by entering your card details. I hope the screen is visible, right? If not, then please let me know. Yeah, I think the screen is visible. If in case if the screen gets hanged up or if you're not able to see anything, then let me know. Okay. So it's what I was telling you. In this time, it will create for you a temporary environment, a one-time account for you on Google Cloud platform. Okay. If you directly go, then it will ask you for credit card details or your debit card details. Yeah. You have to create a billing account. Yes. And then when you start using, you might incur a lot of costs. Say suppose without knowing you created a new virtual machine. Say you configured a compute engine. Say you used Vertex AI. Okay. The things which you use that will get added to your bill. At the end of the month or at the end of the billing cycle, you'll get a message that you're being charged for say rupees 10,000 or 5,000 or 6,000 from the Google Cloud platform. Once we are accustomed to the platform, once we know what to do, once we know how to handle the things, and we know exactly what we are doing, then it is good to go to the platform and explore on our own. But right now we are learning. Okay. So this kind of lab environments are really a blessing for us. Right? Where even we will be there to handhold you tell you exactly what to do, what not to do. And on top of that, what is the significance of this, right? And then making you do the steps, guiding you at each step, whether you get if you get an error, if you are not able to follow the steps, we will be guiding you through. Okay. Once you are familiar with the lab, then in the certificate program, on top of that, we will add a task for you. Okay. Which will make sure that you are proficient in doing this task which was given in the lab. Yes, that is how we step by step we progress. That's how you skill up yourself. Okay, now I started the lab, which created a temporary account on your Google Cloud platform. Then you can see, don't do anything right now. I'll tell you what to do, when to do. Yeah, there will be a button called as Open Google Cloud Console. You have to right click on that and you have to click on Open Link in Incognito window. Open link in Incognito window. Yeah, since it will be a one-time account, yeah, we don't want your personal Gmail IDs to be used here. So by default, it will create a one-time account for you. Yeah. Now you can see you are in the Google Cloud platform. Yeah, it's welcoming you. A unique student code was given to you, one-time code. Yeah, just have to click on agree and continue. Yeah, tick the checkbox. You agree to the terms of service and click on agree and continue. Okay, now you can see your account is ready. Also, a project has been created for you, right? And some configurations have been already made and the environment is ready to start exploring. Okay, now what to do next? Right, for that you will be having steps in the Google Cloud Lab, which we were from where we clicked the start button. There the steps will be given, and those steps we will be executing here. So here is the bit tricky part. One small thing you should be doing, just in first lab, you might feel it a bit extra steps to do. Technically not complex, just one more extra step to do, that you have to keep the screens visible adjacently. Yeah, just look at the cursor carefully. Yeah, not the complete minimize, just you have to keep both the screens visible side by side. In one side I have lab part, in one side I have the Google Cloud Console part, the temporary account which was created. Is that clear? Yes. Meanwhile, whenever required, we will expand the screen which we require, and then again we will come back to this view. Is that clear? Now it's time for you to do the same. Okay. Yes, you are on this page, right? You are on this page. I'll take you through. Okay. Now what you have to do? What you have to do is click on Start Lab. Don't focus on the screen right now. Focus on what I'm telling you. Okay, I know it will be difficult for you to see the screen and do the exact steps in the different window. Okay, just listen to my words carefully. Okay, and start doing. Or what you can do, the best option is join in even through your mobile as well. But remember, that might eat up your data more. Even in mobile, you're using Google Meet, and even on your laptop, you'll be using Google Meet. That might yeah, sorry for the disturbance. It might consume a little more data. Okay. One more option is you can see in a Google Meet, you can open picture in picture mode. You can see these three dots in your Google Meet. If you click on that, there will be an option called as open picture in picture mode. You can click on that and keep the screen open like this. Okay, but not necessary. Okay, just focus on what I'm trying to tell here to that and execute the same steps. So let us begin. Yes. Give me a quick thumbs up if you want me to continue, want me to begin. Yes, quick thumbs up, please. Karthik, Sahana, Rakshita, very good. Yeah. Click on Start Lab. Click on Start Lab. Click on I'm not a robot. Sometimes it might ask you for a few questions like select all images with mountains or hills. In my case, in your case, it might be a bit different. Let me verify this. Yeah. See, the lab has been started. Time is already ticking up. Right? Yes. So now, just below the end lab button, after the caution message, there is a button called as Open Google Cloud Console. Okay. Right click on that and open link in incognito window. Open link in incognito window. If you have opened an incognito window earlier, please close that and open fresh. Open link in incognito window. Yeah. Open link in incognito window. Click on I understand. At the so welcome, it mentions welcome to your new account. Okay. Yes. And at the bottom, there is a button called as I understand. Click on that. Yes. And you can see that your account has been created. Before actually accessing your account, one pop-up shows up. Okay. Where you have to check the box or tick the box just adjacent to terms of service. You have to agree to the Google Cloud Platform terms of service. Okay. And click on agree and continue. Click on agree and continue. Is it fine? Click on agree and continue. So now your account, your environment is created. Until here, everybody is okay? Yes? Give me a thumbs up, then we'll proceed further. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Now we'll go ahead and execute the first step, first task. Yeah. Now it's time to open both the screens in adjacent mode, one beside the other. Both the screens I'm opening side by side. Yes. Hope it is visible now, right? Yes. Now concentrate on the screen. Okay. First few initial steps you have already done. Yeah. Now we have to see the first task. Now we have to see the first task. What is the task about? Task 1 says create applications from prompts. Correct? Now everybody is in this format. Like at one place you are able to see the steps, and one place you are able to see the Google Cloud Console. Just give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to, if you have already done this. If this layouting is done. Adjacent screens ಅಲ್ಲಿ open ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Okay. Rakshita? Yes. Great. Great. So now, is it comfortable view for you? Yeah. Because from now we will start doing the steps together. Okay. Yes. You also keep the open picture in picture mode and listen to the steps carefully. Okay. Wherever you are feeling like some issues or you're not able to follow, let me know. Okay. We'll take the steps slowly. Let me minimize this a little bit. Just a second. Yeah. Yes. So first step is here, task 1. In the Google Cloud Console, from navigation menu, select Vertex AI Studio overview. Okay. Yes. For execution, let us expand this screen. Okay. See, wherever if you have to like go on the Google Cloud platform, you have to go and select a navigation menu. Go and select a navigation menu. Anybody would like to share their screen so that it will be better experience for next 10 minutes. One of you can share, and then again the next person can share the screen. Yeah, are you interested to do that? Yes. Yeah, Karthik is sharing the screen as well. Yes. Karthik?
Sir.
Yeah. So one place you have opened the Google Cloud Console, and one more part you open the steps.
Yes, sir.
Instead of Meet, you open the steps. After some time, if any others, if you are interested to open, so share your screen, it will be beneficial for you. So that exactly I can tell you what to do and guide you. Yeah. Now, yes, Karthik,
Yes, sir.
select the navigation menu. See, navigation menu, I'll tell you, it is the, in your Google Cloud Console page, the 3 bars of at the top left corner. The 3 bars on the top left corner, those are the navigation menu. Click on that.
Yes, sir. It's open.
Yes. And you can see when you click on that, yeah, if you just scroll down, there is an option called as Vertex AI. There is an option called as Vertex AI. Just the 4th or 5th option at the top itself, not very down. Yeah. The fourth item is Vertex AI. So
Yes,
Sana and Rakshita are able to follow, or you want me only to share my screen and explain?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, is this the first task we are doing after opening the?
Yes, Sana. Yes, Sana. This is the first task we are doing.
Okay.
So is this method comfortable, or you want me to share the screen and show it to
No,
you?
sir, it is comfortable.
This is comfortable. Okay. After some time, even you can share your screen. I'll guide you also in the further steps of the task. Not the same steps. So wherever we will be there at that particular time. From there, you can continue. Okay.
Okay.
Just let me know if you want to share your screen. Okay. Yes. So select Vertex AI. Navigation menu is those 3 bars at the top left corner. Click on that and then select Vertex AI. Yes, very good. Select. Directly go to click on Vertex AI.
Sir, pop up down, sir.
This drop down is coming up.
Yes, sir.
So directly you can click. I'll just show you. Just a minute. Just a second. Yeah. Just a second. I'm taking over, Karthik. Just see
Okay.
here. We are in the Google Cloud platform, right? Yes, navigation menu. This is Vertex AI, correct? Navigation menu. Fourth item is Vertex AI. Just click on that and a new page will open. Yeah. Are you able to come to this page, Karthik, now?
Yes, sir.
Sahna? Rakshita? Great. Okay. Now. Yeah, let us understand what all things are given over here. Okay, quickly we'll understand and we'll proceed with the task. I hope even in the task, if you read, the same things would have been explained over there. Okay, so this is the interface where we will build a chatbot. Okay, so you can see at the top there are system instructions. Okay, right here, I'll just highlight that system instructions, right? And then at the bottom, there is a place where you can write a prompt, right? Write prompt. And on the left, as usual, you have all the other elements present in Vertex AI. Okay, right now we are in create prompt. If you are seeing some different page, let me know, because I know stuff like sometimes Google Cloud Console, it works differently for different people. Are you able to see the same page which I'm showing, right? Very good. Sana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, great. So system instructions, write a prompt option, and then all other elements of Vertex AI. Tuning, prompt management, prompt gallery, right? Agent builder, all these things are over here. Okay. Yes. And on the right hand side, you're able to see this panel. This is called as configuration panel. This is configuration panel. You can select which model you want to deal with. Okay. Right now, let us select Gemini 2.0 Flash. Yeah. 2.5 and all they consume a lot of resources. Okay. Based on the requirement, let us start with 2.0 Flash. Then we will experiment with 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Pro, and then we'll see the difference. Okay. Yes, I'm just telling. Then we can turn on structured output, and we can edit in what structure we want the output to come in. Yeah. And then there are grounding tools. There is the Google grounding, and you can ground from your own data. I'll tell you what grounding is later. Yeah. And then you can select a region, set up a temperature, can set up a token limit. Yeah. All these things we will be able to configure in this part. Okay. When the time comes, I'll tell you about all those things. Okay. Now, basically, we are in this interface. Okay. Now, first step, what we have to do is give a name to this prompt. It is saying untitled prompt, right? You have to give a name. Let us see if we are resonating same with the task given. Yeah. So what happens, only if you follow the steps given over here, then at the end you can see after the task one completion, there is option called as check my progress. Okay. These both interfaces, the lab environment, okay, and the steps where the steps have been given, they both are interconnected. Only if you do all the steps given over here and then click on check my progress, then only it will say your assessment complete. Say suppose I've not done anything, just before that, if I click on that, it will not work. Okay. Yes. Let's see what is the first task. First step in this. Yeah, we opened Vertex AI Studio. Yeah, right. We are already in create prompt. Yes. This is the interface which we are seeing. Yeah. System instructions and configuration prompt, right? Now we have to see the chatbot building exercise starts from giving a proper system instructions. You all know about chatbots, right? Any website you visit these days has its own chatbot, correct? It can be a Swiggy app, or it can be a railway, like this IRCTC app, or any website you visit. Yeah, it will be having its own chatbot, which will answer questions related, like specific to that particular platform or specific to the user, correct? But do you know even ChatGPT or Gemini, even these are chatbots? Do you know this? Of course. Yeah, these also, Gemini and ChatGPT, these
Yes.
are nothing but chatbots. But what is the difference between Gemini or ChatGPT or chatbots which you see in specific websites? There is a difference, right? What is the difference? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Sahana?
Chat box is only related to that particular platform, sir.
Very good. Very good. Those chatbots are related to the particular platform. But ChatGPT, on other hand,
They are the in general search engines.
general. Correct. Correct. So what tells ChatGPT to be general, or what tells those chatbots to be specific? Right? There is something which tells them to answer in a particular boundary, right? Those are nothing but system instructions. Those are nothing but system instructions. Okay? By system instructions, you will set a character. You will give a chatbot a tone in which it should respond, in which language it should respond, and more importantly, in which boundaries it should respond. Say for example, you are building a mathematical problem solver application chatbot. Then it should solve the problems related to mathematics, or sometimes even physics is a part of that. Then some physics related numerical questions it can solve. But should it answer a question related to history? Should that chatbot, if you ask which dynasty ruled in Karnataka in say 12th century AD, if you ask this question, should the chatbot ready to answer that? Should it answer that? No, right? Then that instructions should be given to the chatbot in a clear manner, in a very specific manner. Like, these are your boundaries. You are mathematical problem solver. You are a travel guide. You answer in elaborate manner. You answer in very concise, to the point format. Keep a friendly tone. Answer in Kannada. Answer in Hindi. Like that, the instructions, the standalone instructions given to the chatbot are called as system instructions. Okay. Now here they have given one example of a system instruction. Okay. Here we are in this lab, we are building a chatbot, which is an AI assistant for insurance underwriting department. Okay. We are building an AI assistant for insurance underwriting department, whose primary goal you can see in the system instructions given over here. The primary goal of this is to help the underwriters by accurately and concisely summarizing client information and highlighting potential risk factors. Potential risk factors. Maintain a professional objective. See, they're giving it a tone. Maintain a professional and objective tone. Focus on the information provided in the prompt. Do not invent details. See, since it is a generative model, it can go on inventing the details, assume certain things, generate certain things. That's what we are trying to tell it. Don't do such things. Keep so and so tone. Focus only on the prompt. This is your goal. You are this kind of a assistant for this kind of a person, for this kind of a department. Okay, these are system instructions. Now let us copy these things. We have copied that. And then, yeah, let us paste over here. Let us paste under system instructions. Okay. Before that, one more thing we have to do. Okay. From untitled prompt, we have to change it to we have to give it a proper name. Yeah. See, in the instructions part itself, in the third point, we have a name for the chatbot. Same name we can choose, or we can give a name of our own, but give such a name which will, even after a week or even after 10-15 days, when you come back, you should be able to recall by the name. Okay, give such a name. Insurance risk summary prototype. Okay, name we have given. We copy the system instructions and pasted it over here. Correct. Then what we have to do, we have to give a prompt. Right, this is the prompt. What, in this kind of a context, what does the prompt contain? The prompt should contain customer notes. When an executive talks with a customer from insurance company, when an executive talks with a customer, he or she makes certain notes. Okay. Yes, those notes are going in as a prompt and briefly defining what are the tasks for this particular AI agent. Correct? What it has to do. Okay. Let us copy this prompt and paste it in. Write a prompt. Okay. Yes. Now you people confirm me whether you are able to do the steps until here. Yes, you are able to do the steps until here. Give me a quick thumbs up before we proceed further. If any confusions, any issues, then let me know. I will resolve that. Yes. Karthik, Rakshita, Sahana. Until here, are you able to follow?
Where I give the name, sir?
See, system instructions. You were you able to use system instructions, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Were you able to copy the prompt and paste it over here?
Yes, sir. That one is over, sir.
Okay, only until that much then. Are you stuck somewhere? You have any doubts?
Sir, you told no, sir. Some name you can remember.
Okay. That part, you can see the untitled prompt at the top right,
Yes, sir.
where I have written insurance risk summary prototype. There you can give the same name. Yeah. Or you can just name it as test one insurance bot, something like that. Okay. Best case, you can think of a name, a better name later. For now, we can copy the same name. The name is given over here, Karthik, in the lab instructions, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you which point exactly. I think in third point. Once the new untitled prompt page loads, just before this image is there, where Vertex AI Studio is being displayed, just
Yes,
below that, they have explained about the different components in that particular page. And then there is a third point. There is a name given over there, insurance risk summary prototype.
over, sir.
You can type that same, or you can just copy that and paste it over here. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have given the system instructions and we have given the prompt. Next thing is we have, before running this prompt, we have to make sure the configurations are correct. Okay, make sure the configurations are correct.
Okay.
Let us check. See, in configuration, please check that whether Gemini 2.0 Flash has been selected.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then
Yes,
directly go to the advanced settings. It will be like this before. It will not be expanded version. It will be a collapsed one. Just expand it. And you can see that there is first option is select a region, correct? Make sure you select US Central as your region. Make sure to select US Central as your region.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you told about configuration Gemini 2.0. Is
Yeah.
that we need to do any enable thing or?
No, it's 2.0 Flash. If it is there, don't change anything.
Okay.
If anything different is visible, then click on switch model and you can see the models over here. Okay. You can see the different models over here and you can select from the available model. Better expand the screen and check for better view. Okay. Gemini, I'm selecting 2.0 Flash, which is the fourth item. See, this 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Pro are the latest ones. Okay. We'll also try them. Yeah. But for this case, we will go with 2.0 Flash. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah. So model is 2.5 Flash, and in advanced, come to advanced settings. There, first thing, region, select US Central. Select US Central. Clear? Yes. Now expand this again. Yeah. And we will run this prompt. We have given the prompt. System instructions are ready. Region and model have been set. Let's submit the prompt. Submit the prompt. See, you can see it based on the prompt given, like customer notes, applicant is seeking coverage of 50,000 square feet warehouse, business is 5 years old. Entire paragraph was written about the company, and task was to summarize. So very concisely it gave what is the company name, how old the business is, yeah, what they are actually looking for, and they have listed, it has listed down quickly the risk factors or questions we have to ask. Okay. Now, yes. Is it clear now?
Sir, tell another one time, sir.
Sorry?
Another one time, sir.
Sure. So what we did you submit the prompt, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You got the response? Same response you got?
Sir, that one, no, sir. Here, the right hand side. Advance.
Advanced. Okay. Okay. The model part is clear. Model 2.0 Flash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then just scroll down.
Sir, 2.5 is there, no, sir?
Sorry?
2.5, sir.
Make it 2.0 Flash. How to do that? Okay. Just there is an option of switch model, right?
Yes, sir.
Click on switch model.
Okay.
If you scroll down, are you able to see Gemini 2.0 Flash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, select that. That's all. Okay. About the structured output and grounding, we will discuss later. Okay. To tell you briefly about grounding, okay, one simple example I'll take. See, there is a train. Okay. You know that without putting proper rails, a train cannot travel, right? Simple thing. There was a song about this in Kannada, old song. If you guys can remember, well and good. Right? ನೀರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ದೋಣಿ ಸಾಗ. Correct? ಅದೇ ತರ ಹಳಿಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂಡಿ ಸಾಗದು. Something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, just imagine this concept. Train cannot move without proper rails. Those rails are nothing. You can imagine those rails are like system instructions. and now the train is able to move, but where it will go? There should be a start station, there should be a destination station, right? Or there should be a proper a train which is going from say Hubli to Bangalore, cannot travel till Chennai, or cannot go to Hyderabad and come back to Bangalore, right? It will travel only in the particular route at a particular time. Similarly, now we have laid down the track. Okay, grounding makes sure that it will only travel between those two stations. Like we are giving it a data. Okay, only from that data it will pick up, and it will generate the responses and give. Beyond that data, it will not explore other things. It will not search internet. Okay, it will only take up the information from that particular data. That is grounding. Okay, then click on advanced below, and you can see multiple options. Select US Central. Select US Central. Now clear, Karthik? Any other doubts? Any other confusions, Karthik? Shall we proceed further?
Sir, in advance, there is no option, sir, that one.
Yes. America's first one itself will be US Central. You are able to see the screen. Worldwide, first is global, then America's. Continent-wise, there is a list. Okay, Americas and Europe both have been given. The first option you can see is US Central 1. Able to find, Karthik? Any confusions?
Sir, that one no, not is this, sir, in this.
Share your screen, let me see. Sana and Rakshita are able to find, and you are able to
I got the
select that.
outputs. What
Sorry?
what you got output? I got this. Sir.
You got the output. Okay.
Mm.
Region has been selected correctly, right? For you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Karthik can share your screen. I'll be able to help you. Just a minute. Are you sharing your screen, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm not able to see that your screen. Okay. Yeah, you're able to. Yeah. Okay. Yes. 2 point. Okay, go to the model once again. Go to the model once again. Switch. Click on switch model. Click on Gemini. Yeah. Scroll down. 2.0 flash 001. Yes. Select that. Okay. Now scroll down. Advanced. US Central. First one. First option. Okay, done. Now submit the prompt. Copy the prompt and submit it. Not that prompt. That is system instructions. Go to the yes. Prompt, Karthik, will be found in the lab instructions.
Sir, I think he has not copied the prompt section.
Sorry.
He is not copied prompt section, sir. From the at that third we copied and pasted right now. Sir. I
Yes.
think
Yes.
he is not copied that thing, sir.
I copied, sir.
You copy it. Okay. Just go below. System instructions you have copied.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After that, just go below. Go below. Where is task 1? Yeah. Yeah. Third step, you that name you copied. If not, copy and paste it. Okay. After that, system instructions you have given. After that, there is a prompt. Customer notes for safe harbor warehousing. This you
Yes,
have
sir.
to copy in a prompt and paste it in a place of prompt.
Yes, sir.
Paste it over here. Yes. Now submit. Now submit.
Okay, okay. It's
Done.
comes. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Thank
This
you,
is a
sir.
very basic step we have done. Okay. Now, usually the next steps would be checking, so testing this bot by giving multiple different kinds of prompts. Okay. And then if the responses are not coming up in a very proper manner, then we have to fine tune. We have to change the instructions. We have to make the system instructions more effective. Okay, those things follow up. Okay, but right now to learn to understand, this much is fine. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
what we will do? Now we will deploy this. Okay, let's follow the next steps, and we will deploy this. Okay, just a second. I'll go back to the screen. Yes. I'll open, just a second. Give me time to open the picture in picture mode. So that. Okay. So yes. Now the next step, region and all we have set, and all those things we have done. Okay. Now we have to deploy. Let's see the steps first. Yeah. See all these things we did. Now then come to the ninth step. Okay. Yeah, before ninth step, there is a eighth step. We have to save this prompt. Whatever prompt we have given, we have to save it. How to save it? There's an option called as save over here.
Yes, sir.
Click on, yeah. Don't select any other things. Just check whether the region and the name is correct. Yeah. Auto save prompts is ticked, correct. Just click on save. Saving might take 1 or 2 minutes extra. Okay. Click on save. Wait until it is saved completely. If taking a lot of time, then we will refresh the page and see once. Okay, not right now. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to save. Let us refresh the page and see once. By refreshing the page, I mean that just close this once. Saving is taking longer than usual. This is expected when saving the first prompt in a region. Please allow extra time for the process to complete. Yeah, as I told you, it will take some time and it will get saved. Okay. Before actually getting saved, if you refresh the page, you will lose the prompt. Don't do that. Okay. Wait for it to save completely. Yeah, see, I have to do the steps again now. Right. I refresh the page completely. Yeah. I hope you are not facing the same problem, right? You didn't do it, right? Let me quickly follow these steps. 2.0 flash is selected. System instructions is been given over here. prompt is given and untitled prompt, I'll name it properly, insurance risk summary prototype. Yeah, and go to advanced and select the region properly. From global to US Central. Okay, now submit the prompt. Once submission, you have to save it. Save it. This time should not take more time. Click on save. Yeah, it got saved. Whether your prompt got saved,
Yes, sir. I got the auto save.
you got it saved, right? Yes, very good. So now click on build with code. There is an option called as build with code, right? Click on that. So right now we are not focusing on fine tuning and all that. We are just focusing on learning how to deploy this. Okay, basic steps we are following. On complete cycle, we want to complete. Okay, then we will improve and all that. Okay, click on build with code. Second option is deploy as app. Deploy as app. Click on deploy as app. You are able to see this pop up. Karthik, Sahana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the first API is not enabled, right? There is an option
Yes.
called as enable required APIs. Click on that. Enable required APIs. Wait for a minute or two for the required API to get enabled. Once it is enabled, check, click on the acknowledgement. Click on the acknowledgement. I understand this app will be deployed publicly. Okay. And then click on create app. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If not,
Yes,
please
sir.
let me know. I'll be helping you. Create app.
Yes, sir.
It's completed.
Yes, wait. Let it, yeah. Yes. This pop-up will come next, manage web app. Okay, let the status, status is loading, right? Application name has been given, right? Last deployed, status, access control. Just wait for the status to completely get loaded. This will take 1 or 2 minutes extra. Okay. Don't click on anything. Just wait for that to get completed. See, this is what the platform gives us, right? To quickly deploy what we create. And even without any coding experience, we were able to do this, correct? Since you, Karthik is from CSC, I know. What about Sahana and Rakshita? Are you from
I'm from
computer science
ECC.
department?
ECE.
ECE. Rakshita, what about you? Are you able to follow, Rakshita?
Rakshita is not at meeting, sir.
She left the meeting. Okay, it's okay. Let the status get loaded up. Yeah. But once you understand the process and all, you can play around with it. You can create a different kind of a chatbot. You can make the instructions more specific, train it up a little bit. Okay. And you can then deploy it as an app. Correct? Any confusions until now? Don't refresh the page. I'm just displaying the steps which we followed, correct? Don't click on anything, just I'm opening the steps. Yeah. See. Now it is completed, see, correct? Yeah. We are following the exact steps. Yes. Now let us see. Okay, what just happened? Yeah. Now once you close that, once it gets completed. So did it complete for you people? Is it still loading for you or completed?
It's showing
Karthik?
up ready.
Sorry?
Ready.
Ready, sir.
It's ready, right? Just
Yes,
close
sir.
that. Just click on close. Just click on close.
Sir,
And
update app.
no,
Sir.
don't update app. Don't update the app.
Okay, sir.
Just close that. The app is ready now. Just
Okay.
close that. Okay. Now again, click on build with code. Again, click on build with code. Now you can see these options. Get code. One more new option has come up. Can you see? Open app.
Yes, sir.
Sahana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, click on open app. Click on open app. Meanwhile, I'll just
It created, sir.
app is created, right? Yes.
Sir,
You can see
there is a
this.
warning now, sir.
Insurance prototype. Yeah. This app allows unauthenticated access by default. Avoid using it for sensitive data. Just a caution word. That's it. Avoid using it for sensitive data. Access control is coming soon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you can test this chatbot. Now you can use this chatbot as you want. Yeah, this is your live application. Okay. Let us see what prompt to give it. Since we are following the lab steps, right? Let us see. Once we understand, then we can play around with this. See, we completed the steps until here. Now, let us copy this. You can see the 14th step over here. In the chatbot section, type a message. Okay, new customer inquiry. This is the inquiry from the customer. Yeah. This is what the customer is asking a question to a chatbot. Yeah, let us give this. Were you able to copy that?
Yes, sir.
Paste it over here. Paste in a type a message. In this type a message window, paste that. Yeah, customer inquiry. And see what was the customer inquiry about. See, coastal goods delivery, fleet of 10 delivery vans. Okay, 100-mile radius with of their depot. So and so details have been given. Now it was summarized completely. Coastal goods delivery operates a fleet of 10 delivery vans within 100 miles. Potential risk factors. Okay. Now the app is live and it is working. Okay. We can also see here next steps. Don't do it right now. Just we'll see those steps and we will next time when we are playing around with this, then we can go ahead and explore these things. So go to Cloud Run, source code editor to customize application code. We can change the UI, we can change how it responds, right? We can change the look and feel. Entire source code is available with us. There also, if you want to make any changes in the prompt, if you want to make changes in how it responds or change in the model configurations, you can do from the source code. Okay, go to your Vertex AI Studio prompt to update and redeploy it. Say suppose the chatbot is not working properly. It is giving some different kinds of answers. By different, I mean that out of context answers. Then we have to change the system instructions. We have to train it a little bit, and then we can redeploy it. Okay, is it clear? These are the next steps. Okay, for now, come back to the cloud console. Yeah, yes. Now you can click check my progress, and you can see the assessment is complete. You also check your progress. Assessment is complete.
Yes, sir.
Now there are next things: design, like few shot prompt, zero shot prompt, engineer and manage prompts. These tasks come up next. Prompt management, multimodal prompts with Gemini.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
check my progress. It's giving me pop-up like, please deploy the prompt as a serverless application using Cloud Run, and wait until the status show the as ready.
Okay, the status was not ready for you.
That was ready before only, sir.
It was
After
ready
that, I copied and pasted. I got output also, sir.
in this whatever page I'm showing. You got the output in this format.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Share your screen. Let me see. Okay. After that, what steps? You have now completed a full cycle. Designed a prompt in Vertex AI Studio. Deployed it as a serverless application using Cloud Run with a few clicks. Directly opened and interacted with your generative AI model through a web interface. This demonstrates the power of Vertex AI Studio for rapid prototyping and deployment of generative AI capabilities. Okay, no more steps were there. Okay. Send your message to the application, observe the response. Okay, let me see your screen. Just a minute. Open your lab part. Not this one, the incognito mode window where you are executing the lab. I think you have to stop sharing this and share that window, or maybe you have to, share your entire screen and then share that. Yes, Sahana. Click on share entire screen. That might help.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go to incognito window. Yes, this one. Yes.
So for the inquiry, I got the output like this.
You got the output, right? Just go back to the Vertex AI, the beside the adjacent tab. No, not this one. Okay, now click on check your progress. Okay, go back to the lab. Yeah. So come back to the adjacent tab. Not this one. Vertex AI Quick Labs. Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
So click on build with code.
Open apps. Huh?
Open app. Click on open app. Now again, try to copy paste the prompt and see once.
Check. I should check once again, sir.
Check now.
No, sir. It's again the same problem.
Using Cloud Run and wait until the status shows as ready. Okay, do one thing. No need to worry. Maybe some step might be skipped or it has not recorded the actual thing. So just go back to the lab once. Lab in a sense, the environment where you created the lab. Yeah. Anyhow, what will happen now? Since you have only 8 minutes of time left, this
Okay.
lab will get and in 8 minutes, further 8 minutes. Okay. The next task, the task 2, 3, 4, 5, which were there, do that again. One more time, you have to start the lab.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And you have to do the exact same steps. Okay. Don't worry. So next time when you come, you will be able to do the steps very quickly.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, don't worry. So, yes. So next time, tomorrow, what we will do, we will start with the task 2. Now we know the drill, right? Now we know the drill, what to do and how to proceed further. Quickly, we will start with task 2. Tasks are independent of each other. Not like only after completing task 1, you will be able to complete task 2, not like that. Okay. Task 2, we will complete. Anyhow, we know the drill, how to start the lab and quickly we will go on executing that. Okay. And tomorrow, since we are already accustomed to this platform and all that, we will complete the next few tasks quickly. Those are interest. I'll just show you the tasks which are all there. They are like really interesting tasks. Now we deployed the app, right? Next task in this line is how to improve the instructions which we have given by 0-shot prompting and few-shot prompting. And then, yeah, configuring the various parameters. We have not until now explored what is temperature, what is output token limit, what is top P. These all things we have not explored until now. Those things we have to explore. Basically, we are fine-tuning the chatbot. That's it. Engineer and manage prompts. See, simple base prompt we are setting up. We are giving it scenario. And see what we did today. We just gave system instruction and one prompt and we deployed it. There might be different steps to do that. Add prompts, submit prompts, add an example. All these things we can do and we can see how the app gets better and better. Okay.
For the same apps, what we have created today.
Yes. Same app in the sense we have to actually run the first task first and then we have to go on doing these steps. So tomorrow at 10 when we start, right? At 10 when we start, what we will do is quickly we will complete in basically if we do exactly the steps one after the other without explanation part and all, we will be able to complete the entire lab in 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Okay. So as soon as we start, what we will do, we will go on executing the tasks. I will be just orally telling and executing. Same time, you also execute the steps. I think the task 1 is clear for us, correct? Sahana and Karthik?
Yes.
Yeah. And quickly we will move to task 2. Task 3, task 4. See, in task 4, we are using multimodal prompts. By multimodal, I mean we are using images and we are using audios and videos later, URL and all that. Okay. I think from task 4, it is different. Task 4 and task 5 are not related to the chatbot. They are different. But until task 3, it is improving the existing chatbot. Okay, improving the prompt, improving the thing, and redeploying the app and seeing how it works. We'll also be doing generating voice with Sure. Okay. All these things we'll be doing, and we will be earning the badge. Okay. Yes. So tomorrow, yeah, quickly we will add sharp at 10. We will start directly with the lab. Okay, since you already know about the certificate program, what we stand for, and everything, so quickly we'll start with the lab, and we will complete this lab by 12, and then from 12 to 1, Manoj sir will take the session on life skills. Is that okay? So make sure you come tomorrow at sharp 10. Yeah, and be ready to quickly explore this lab, and let's target to complete it within 1 hour. Since it was the first day, there was a lot of explanation and you were new to the platform, we took a little more time, right? Tomorrow, I don't think this will be the case. Yeah, we'll finish this lab, we'll deploy, we'll improve that, and we will earn a badge. Now, before handing it over to Manoj sir, I want you to do one task. Okay, you have your LinkedIn profiles ready? Yes, all of you have your LinkedIn profiles, right? Yes. Open your LinkedIn profile. Yeah, we have a page on LinkedIn, a community where, see, being on LinkedIn itself, and as I was telling you, enhancing our profile on LinkedIn itself will make us noticed by the industry people. But dedicatedly, what Mind Matrix is doing, it has created a community with students from various colleges, and where industry experts are part of this community. Okay, you will get to interact with them, you will get connections with them. Okay, once you're part of that community, and then if you send them a request to connect, they will be able to accept you. Okay, that's how you grow your connects, and you'll be able to see what kind of thought process they will bring in. Okay, so I want one of you to share your screen and open your LinkedIn, and I'll be sharing the link over here, the community link I'll be sharing with you. Just give me a minute. Just a minute. So how did you find today's session? Was it interesting? Did you get to learn something? Of course, we have few more minutes left. We are closing at 1, and Manoj sir is yet to interact with you. But until now, whatever labs you did you find them useful?
Yes, sir.
Just a second.
Yes, sir, it was amazing. I thought there would be any
Yes, Shana?
coding. I thought there would be coding or something else. There was nothing like that. What was I expecting?
Yeah. So you found it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I've posted a LinkedIn community group over here. Yeah. I request you to join the community immediately. Yeah. Even I am opening the same. Just let me one second. Are you able to see my screen, everyone? Just copy paste the link, paste it. Yeah, Mind Matrix Industry Network, and join this. Yeah, your request will be received, and we will approve that. Yeah, join. Are you able to do that? Yes, Sana and Karthik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got disconnected a little bit. Yeah. Karthik, were you able to join the group? Am I audible now to you? Yes. So were you able to join the group? Yeah. So what you have to do, I hope where Sahana, she exit the call. Maybe she lost the connection, I guess. Yeah. So one thing which was pending from yesterday. Yes, Sahana. So one thing, yeah. Just a minute. Yes, one thing which we missed from yesterday is to post our achievement on LinkedIn. Okay. Today's lab, which we did, we will be receiving a badge for it when we complete it. Tomorrow we'll make sure we complete that. Okay. And we will post it on LinkedIn. But yesterday, Karthik, you were able to complete this lab, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you earned a badge also, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you were able to see that badge in your Google developer profile.
Yes, sir.
Create a post about it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, Sahana, are you able to hear me now? Yes. So, Sahana,
Yes, sir.
what I was telling is, once we complete these labs, right? Tomorrow we will be completing what we started today. Okay. And we'll be receiving a badge when we complete a lab. Okay. That badge we will be posting on LinkedIn. Okay. So, Karthik, can you share your screen and go to your developer profile? And meanwhile, Sahana, what I request you to do is, in a new tab, type Google developer profile. Type Google developer profile. Yes. See what Karthik is doing. Same thing. Type Google developer profile. Karthik has already created his profile over there. I request you also to create the same. Okay. Can you do it now? Yes. Karthik, go to my profile. You can see he received a badge, joined the Google developer program. Okay. Yes. Click on that badge and see directly you can post this on LinkedIn. Directly you can post this on LinkedIn. Correct? Yes, click on that, Karthik.
Sir, I am not a LinkedIn, sir.
You don't have LinkedIn account, Karthik?
Is there, sir? I deleted full account, sir. There
Okay.
is no response, sir, in LinkedIn. That's why.
Don't think like that. See, once you build your profile,
Okay.
see, LinkedIn, you know, don't expect that you will receive a call of like for a job offering. It's not like that.
Okay, sir.
See, it's like your social media for your professional life. Okay,
Okay.
where you will keep updating, where you will keep posting out your achievements, your certificates, adding to your skills.
Okay.
Okay, and you should be there on the platform for you to get noticed first of all.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, it's not like 1 month you're there and not getting any response. You don't have to delete that. People will be responding you, people will be noticing you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
that's
Sir.
how once you have to build connects. Once you build connects, once you go on adding your certificates, that's how you get noticed. It's an entire process.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see, once the company, if you send a resume to any company, first thing what they do, they come and check your LinkedIn profile. You might not receive directly a call from somebody noticing your profile from LinkedIn. That is rare case. But when you apply to any company through any other platform, say suppose Naukri or any other platform, you apply to any company, you update your resume. Okay, they come and check your LinkedIn profile to understand what people, what kind of a person are you, right? See,
Okay, sir.
suppose if you come and meet me in a normal student life, they check Instagram profiles, but in a professional life, we go and check their LinkedIn profile. Is he work? Can I connect with him? Right? So don't delete the account. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Sahana, so
Sir,
don't worry. Now make sure, Karthik,
Okay.
meanwhile, in this call itself, create an account. It only requires your Google details. Okay? Create an account and post it.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
hesitate. Okay?
Today I was, sir.
And send me the screenshot. I'll call you after around 3 or 4. Send me the screenshot of your post.
Okay, sir.
Don't neglect. Do it. You will, in few days you will see the benefit of it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, please do that. Sarah, you have LinkedIn profile, right?
yes, sir.
So now go ahead and create a developer profile, Google developer profile. Yes. You can go and create a Google developer profile. What I was showing you, just a second. Set my yeah. See, did you follow? Did you join the Mind Matters community, Sahana?
Yes, sir.
You sent the join request, right?
Yes, sir. I sent.
Mind Matters Industry Network. Yes,
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 sir.
yes. Now, in the new tab,
Mm.
Google developer profile. Yes. Click on Google developer program. And here, see, for the first time, how you will be seeing this, I'll show you. For the first time, when you join Google developer profile, right? Developer program, first option, select that. See, it asks you to join the developer program, right?
Yes, sir.
Click on join today or click on start.
Okay, okay.
Click on start. Yes, sign me up. What best describes you? There is option of student. You can select a student. Okay, and create account. Create account. Yeah, don't worry about upgrading to premium and all for now. Yeah, dismiss this and click on view developer dashboard. Are you able to see this page? You are able to follow?
It's asking for. I should fill this city or all the things which they have given, sir.
Sorry, Sana.
I have to fill the details what they have asked, sir.
Yes, just select a student. Yes, and then tick box. Just check on the box and just create account. Anything else it is asking for you?
Yes, so city.
Can you share your screen, please?
Yes, sir.
I'll stop presenting. Manoj sir, please excuse me, sir. Please, I'll take few minutes more. I'll just make the students just fill this form and create their profile, and I'll hand it over to you, sir.
Sir, I have shared
It's taking longer than expected. I know. Okay. Okay. Go to that page. Go to that page. I'll be guiding you. Go to that page. Okay. Step 1 of 3. Okay. Please select. Okay. 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 One second. One second. Correct. Just go to the city or this thing. Go to that. Undo unfill. Let's remove that. Remove that. You should select from the list given. Yes. Start typing. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Type right. Select what it is given there. Yeah. Yes. Right. You are a student. Scroll down and you can see student. You can mention your college name. Yeah. Next. What are your interests? Select few interests. What are you looking for and all that. Just click on got it so that will go away. That pop up, that blue color pop up. Yeah. You can select cloud, Google Assistant, anything, whichever you like. Just suggesting. Okay. Select next. Confirm newsletter subscriptions. Optional it is. You'll be getting emails. That's it.
Okay, that's fine, sir.
You'll be receiving notifications and emails.
Okay, sir.
Good to have. Finish. Click on finish. Yes. See, since you joined the program, you received a badge. This also you can post.
Okay.
Right?
Mm.
Dismiss that upgrade option. You dismiss. Upgrade to premium. No need to do now. Yeah. This you can share directly. Share. There is a share option, right? You earned the join the Google Developer Program badge. You can share it on LinkedIn.
Okay.
You can hide this, Sahana.
Oh.
Yeah. Directly there is LinkedIn option. No, this one. Yes, LinkedIn option. Select that. Continue with Google. If already same email you are using. Yeah. You can write something or you can directly post. In this era of generative AI, Sahana, you can generate an very nice post caption from Gemini as well.
Yes.
Okay. you should, we all should actually take leverage such things and make our lives easier. You know what? Like recently, we had a conclave in Google's office. I think uh, the India Edu program. Um, the position, his position was, uh, he was a project manager of India Edu program. Okay, he was telling that most of like 90% of the emails which they receive, emails, the response to the emails, or summarizing the email, or all these things, they use uh, yeah, you can try mind matrix ed. Okay, it's okay. They use generative AI in those things.
Okay. Okay. I should have mentioned something else.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Mind matrix ed is the official name. It's okay.
Okay.
Next post you can make like that. Okay.
I thought the symbol was logo was from your end only. So
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Next, verify to boost credibility and trust. Okay, click verify now. No worries. Okay, follow the directions, identify your. Okay, no worries. You can do it later also.
okay.
Verification in the sense that these are all verified badges which you gain. Okay, there will be a ID for that. You can just like store it across. That's all. So that some people, they just, for the sake of posting, they post, right? To just differentiate, you can verify. You can
That is,
create your badge.
okay.
Just follow those steps and make
Confirm.
sure you do that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I hope you followed the group, right? You're part of the group, right?
Yes, sir.
Mind Matrix Industry Connect group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Maybe they should accept your yeah, request. Yeah. Yes. Mind Matrix ED. Just even follow this as well. Mind Matrix ED. No, not in this group. Just a second. I'll go to Chrome and I'll search it. Yeah, Mind Matrix ED. Here also we'll be posting all the updates and everything. Yeah. Yes. Please follow our account as well. Mind Matrix CD, if you type, you will get this. With the same logo, you'll get this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. See, about the yesterday's session, we have posted. Yes. The conclave which we had at Google. We invited a few students as well. In the next conclave, you might be the one who gets invited. Yeah. Yes. We conducted various programs in different colleges. These you can see Amrita Mishra. She was the student from BIT, Bangalore Institute of Technology. Yeah. And we invited those few students to be part of that. Okay. So you might be the next to get this opportunity. Yeah. Mind Matrix Conclave. See it. Yeah. Okay. Now, yes. Karthik, make sure you create your LinkedIn account and send me the screenshot of your post. Tag
Okay, okay.
Mind Matrix CD. Do it today. Don't miss out. You will
Okay,
understand the impact in next few days, next few months. You will really understand the importance of that. Okay.
okay, sir.
It's not to get interview calls. Remove that from your head. It is not the place from directly from where you'll get a call for interview. There are other platforms for that. Okay. Linked
Okay, sir.
page, site where people will start noticing you, will start recognizing you. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Please do that. and send me the screenshot. I'll give you a reminder call at around 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Before that, you please do that. Okay, it will
Okay.
benefit you a lot.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yes. Now, hold on. We have one more session for today. Yes. Let's explore more about curiosity. Okay. Manoj sir will take the session forward with a nice, interesting scenario of smart homes, smart lightings in homes. Okay. Let us try to understand. Okay, how curiosity helped in that innovation, and how it can help you if you stay curious. Clear? Yes. Over to you, Manoj sir. Sorry for the delay. I understand, sir. A few important steps were there. I had to make sure that they do those. Otherwise, later it will become difficult to track. So I apologize for that, sir.
So time management will be important.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Extremely sorry for that. Extremely sorry for that.
No. It's important for the students also because they are spending time. I cannot hold them beyond 1 o'clock. They've been probably, it's lunchtime for them also. Fine. Let's quickly, because you have the control over the slides. I request you to control the slides because the audio will not come if I play the video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So good afternoon, Sahana and Karthik. My name is Manoj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Karthik, you were there in yesterday's class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, welcome back again.
Okay, sir.
I hope today we will not have the difficulty of yesterday's, little hiccup we have had with regards to the slides presentation, right? So, Thirumal, please start presenting the slides so that I can explain the participants.
Yes, sir. Okay, can't share your screen. Okay, just a
Why
minute,
not?
sir.
You are the host.
Just a second. Yeah, I'm the host. Just a second. Yeah. Yes, now it is getting shared. Yes.
Very good.
Yes. Just a quick yes. Yeah.
So the question
It's
was, what was the question on this slide?
yes.
So there is a question which is coming, right? What was the last smart question that you asked? Sahana and Karthik, can you guess and tell me what was the smart question that you have asked? The last smart question that you have asked to anybody? It could be to your parents, it could be to your teachers, or it could be your friends, whoever it is. So let's go to the next slide. The question put you in a puzzle, isn't it? So you are not able to decide what was the question that I could have asked. So it put you in a kind of a dilemma, or you could put it a quiz, or if you are thinking what could be termed as a smart question. There could be many questions that you have asked, right? Now, this is what is called as curiosity. Press enter. So you wanted to know curiosity, right? So when your mind teases, when the question comes in your mind, what is this? Or what is this which is happening around? The moment the doubt comes into your mind, that's what is called as curiosity. Now my friend himself has vanished from the site. Oh, he rejoins because he has the control on the slides.
Only, I just shifted a place.
Well, let's call it as curiosity, right?
Yes.
We'll go to the next slide. Right. So next slide. So there is a small video. Let's play the video and understand what happened really with curiosity. You know, curiosity can be very, very interesting. Play the video and let's see.
Most people don't recognize the name of explorer Bjarni Helgesson. In 980,
Oh, it got frozen. Video got froze. Is it me who got kicked out or something wrong? Am I audible?
I just got. I just.
Did the video play?
I myself got exited from the call. I don't know if this. The page broke. Just a second, sir.
Yeah. Play that video again, please.
Just a second. Am I audible now, sir?
You're audible. You're audible.
Okay. Yes. Where is this? Curiosity. Yes. Yes. Is it visible now, sir? The screen is visible.
Screen is
right?
visible. Just play the video. Let's.
Yeah, I'm playing the video.
Most
yes.
people don't recognise the name of explorer Bjarni Helgjosson. In 986, sailing from Norway to Greenland in a trip to visit his father, storms blew him so far off course that when they finally let up, he and his crew had no idea where they were. When the weather cleared, they were relieved to find land. But instead of the familiar mountains and glaciers of Greenland, it was forests. His crew begged him to land and explore this new area. But anxious to reach his intended destination, Bjarni turned the boat around and headed back out to sea, making it to Greenland a week later. Years later, he recounted his story to a friend who decided to buy Bjarni's ship and use it to retrace his route. His friend was Leif Erikson, and that strange land Bjarni saw was Canada. Today, Leif Erikson goes down in history as the first European to set foot on the American continent, because Bjarni's curiosity didn't get the better of him.
So what was it? It was the curiosity of Leif Erikson. He was wondering, what is this forest? Because Icelanders, they had gone and captured Greenland. So they were happy with that icy glacier kind of island. When they saw that new land, which is now called as Canada, it was discovered only out of curiosity, isn't it? So let's go to the next slide.
Most people don't.
So curiosity is intrinsically linked to personal growth, innovation, and critical thinking. So I am calling up a new word called as critical thinking, right? What does it do? It fuels the desire to learn, explore, and challenge the status quo, which means if there are setups are there, generally it is told it is like this, you accept. It is like this, you do this. It's like this, that's why you need to follow. Curiosity is a situation, or critical thinking is a trait, or I would call it as a skill in your own self, which will prompt you to ask why. You may not ask it openly with your open mouth, but it at least if it comes in your mind, why, then it will lead you to new ideas and deeper understanding. By fostering curiosity, individuals can unlock their potential for personal development and drive innovations, right? And it will enhance their critical thinking. Tirupati, press enter once again.
Yes, sir.
Right? There is an audio. Press enter. Probably the audio will come.
Yes, sir.
No.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Press enter. The audio will play. Yeah.
To create, one must first question everything. Never adopt someone else's conclusion without putting it to the test of your own reasoning and imagination. Said Eileen Gray.
Now, first of all, these wordings are appearing very, jazzy, no? The question will come, who is Eileen Gray? Right? That question would have come. We have never heard of her. Eileen Gray was an Irish designer. She was very accomplished interior designer and an architect. That's why I have deliberately put this quote. She is a known figure in very limited niche area. So that's why it puts you into a curiosity, right? Let's go to the next slide. I will tell you. So this is called as critical thinking. Every individual must possess critical thinking, and when they have this critical thinking, they become quite successful in industrial scenario. This critical thinking will compose of 5 different type of thinking process. The very first one is curiosity. If you are critical in your thinking, it will stimulate your curiosity, right? Then what will happen when you're curious about it? It will polish your creativity. You will be interested to create certain things. And to create certain things, you'll need to have certain set of skills. It could be thinking skill, or developing skill, or a physical skill, or doing skills by hand, right? So it will refine your research skill. Searching some information on net is also a skill, as you are now learning in your artificial intelligence. Prompting AI is a skill that requires your research. How, if I prompt this way, what answer will come? If I prompt other way, what answer will come? We all know that very well. When the computers were designed, it was very clearly told to us, if you give an input as a garbage to the computer, you'll get back the garbage. AI is somewhat similar, or AI is same. It's a refined version of computer, right? It has been prompted to think a little more. If you give a cryptic question, or if you give a cryptic prompting to the AI, it will still give you a bullshit outside. So what you are required to do is you have to hone your skills. Then this will enhance your problem solving ability. What is a problem? First of all, if I'm able to understand what is a problem could be anything. It could be your technical requirement, or it could be a personal requirement, or it could be a solution, or it could be, no, solutions will come only once you know the problem, right? As long as if you don't know how to define your problem, then you're not able to arrive at a solution. If you're aware what is hindering you to achieve the things that you want to do, only then you are able to achieve at a goal, right? All these 4 traits which we have spoken will help you to do one thing. It will help you to improve your decision making. So one of the most sought after capability in any industry is your ability to take decisions, right? What happens usually as a youngsters, when we are given a task, we are completing the task, then the last step we will miss out, wherein we are scared to take decisions and to tell, yes, this is what it is. When somebody challenges you, we should be in a position to defend our actions that we have taken. So that is what the decision is: to defend your action, or to fall in line. If you fall in line, you're one amongst the flock. You'll be like a sheep, right? We all know the story. Army of sheep led by lion can also beat army of lions which is being led by a sheep. Meaning, the leadership quality is defined by all these 4 or 5 uh, skill set what we are thinking. So curiosity is the first amongst the uh, skill set that you need to develop. It is not that you are born curious and it doesn't happen with others. Everybody can be curious. All that you need to do is learn to ask questions. That's all, right? And asking question is also important, as to when to ask question, where to ask question, and asking right question is more important. If the question is going to be irrelevant, then you will be considered as a idiot, adhika prasangi. We'll call you adhika prasangi. That should not happen, right? So if you're asking question, please make sure that you ask the right question which is relevant to the situation. So that is what is curiosity is all about. So I have made one more slide. If Tirumal will approve, then I will make my presentation.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll stop presenting, sir.
Yeah.
And I'll
Only one slide is pending. I'll show that.
sure, sir. You can present the screen now, sir.
Is the screen being seen? I've made a few
Yes,
points here.
Visible, sir.
I'll share this with you, Tirumal. Please share it with the participants. What does it do?
Yes, sir.
First thing, it fosters a growth mindset, right? Then second one is your curiosity will help you to build your personality, right? It enhances learning and cognitive abilities. It encourages individuals to view challenges as opportunities and learning and growth rather than as an obstacle. So any challenge which comes to you, take it as a challenge. Don't take it as an obstacle. And curiosity will promote positive and social interactions. Curiosity motivates individuals to ask questions and seek answers, which strengthens their cognitive abilities to problem solving skills. Right? Fourth one, it encourages innovation and creativity. Right? Curiosity can also lead to more meaningful conversation and connections, as individuals are more likely to ask thoughtful questions and actively listen to others. When you ask questions, you should also have the courage to listen to people. Active listening is one more skill which I will be speaking much later. And finally, increasing self-awareness and personal growth. By embracing curiosity, individuals can cultivate more fulfilling and meaningful life. So in conclusion, curiosity is a very powerful trait that can significantly impact personality development. How? By fostering a growth mindset, enhancing learning, promoting positive social interactions, and encouraging innovations. Curiosity can also lead you to increased self-awareness, personal growth, and more fulfilling life. Right? So since the time is up, I'll not take much of your time. Thank you for your patient listening. And definitely tomorrow, if tomorrow's session starts in time, we'll spend more time on this topic, right? So thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Sir. I'll make sure tomorrow I'll finish it well before 12. I'll give you more times. I'm really sorry for today.
No. The students also will have to, the AI topic is the most important one. Curiosity and other life skills will always follow. Whatever
Yes.
that we have shown you today, I'm sure I've just forced it through in a little time. Please read it with the relaxed mind. If you don't understand anything, tomorrow when we meet, please do question. Let it be an interactive session. Okay.
Yeah.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And students,
Thank you.
for tomorrow's session, as I was telling, we will complete the lab part, which we did until the halfway today. Okay. And at sharp 10, we will start. Make sure you are present at sharp 10. Okay. And if your friends are also interested, please bring them. Yeah. Anyhow, we will be, anyhow, the first few steps will be doing very quickly in the lab. Yeah. So quickly, what I'll next want to show you is, see, just a second. I'll not take more than 3-4 minutes. I hope the screen is visible for you, right? Is screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Visible, right? Okay, just a second. So when you, so get back to the platform. Okay. Here itself, you can come and join the session. So tomorrow, so today is Profile and Power Up. Tomorrow, 27, Reflect and Rise. Okay. Since this is the second batch, few more sessions will be added below it. Okay. And a particular link will be uploaded here itself. You don't have to wait for the WhatsApp message. You can come directly here. Just click on this and you can join the Google Meet. Okay. And make sure after you completed this lab, tomorrow we will do this, but I'm telling you, your please create your Google developer profile. I think Sahana, you also created. Karthik already created. You have to create your LinkedIn account and share this screenshot with me.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Here, Google developer profile link will come up, and you have to share this over here. Upload link. That will be the submission you have to make. Okay. Yes, and your understanding will be there. The quiz part. Tomorrow, after completion of the lab, we will do this. Okay. And once you complete your once you post on LinkedIn, you both have received one badge, right? That is joining Google Developer Program badge, right? So you post on LinkedIn. Yeah, you post on LinkedIn. Here, upload your LinkedIn profile link so that we will be able to find you and we can connect with you. Okay, share your LinkedIn
URL, sir.
link. Okay, you can copy it from your
Okay, sir.
LinkedIn file and paste it over here. Okay, yes, these are the two things I wanted to tell you. Other things, there are a few multiple choice questions and all that on the platform. Tomorrow, after completion of the lab completely, we will do those things. Okay, yes. Please make yourself available tomorrow from 10 to 1. Yeah, and we will
Yes.
continue and earn the badge for the lab which we did half today. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you feel it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Was it useful for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See you tomorrow. Inform your friends also to join. Okay. Let them get benefited from this. Yeah. Yes. So having said that, it's almost already 1. Without taking much time from you, we will wind up over here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
See you all tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Karthik, LinkedIn profile. Don't
Okay,
forget.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. See you. See you, Sana. See you, Karthik. Thank you.